well aware that you've attended other meetings in the other villages. It seems like the meetings are in Central, North, and South. And what I wanted you to do is list to me, now that we've gone to all these meetings, I wanted to know where all this information, like in a list, like where does it go, who is responsible for it, are you the main person, and how then do we get this information to us? How do we know that what we say is going to be looked at, is going to be connected somehow, and that it's going to have some kind of impact in how you might have to modify your plan or revise your plan, so that there really is something useful, that we're saying that you're going to make use of? Or is it just going to be something like you write it on a book, or it's going to sit on a task force and then it goes on the shelves and, well, that's it, we'll just go on our plan. You're like a train going by, and I'm here at the station, but it's going by, and okay, we made this stop and it made some comments.